Hello everybody, this is Divya here, and today we're gonna discuss on nutrition needs for elderly people. Elderly people, as the term suggests, it is for older generation, it is for geriatric population. As the age process goes ahead, every system of your body slows down. Your metabolic rate slows down, your digestive system process, your absorption process slows down. But at the same time, the nutrition is also compromised. They don't concentrate too much on their food because there are always some medical problem involved and there are medications also being taken. So polypharmacy chances are being higher. But the other factor of diet should also be considered. It should be given some attention, and there are certain nutrients which cannot be taken into their body by natural sources. The demand goes higher. So what are the nutrients which they have to concentrate on, that we're going to discuss today. The first topping the list is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is very much abundant present in non-veg sources. So as the absorption process, as the digestion process slows down for aging people, they have to concentrately take into their diet major sources of non-veg. At the same time, they should consult a physician whether they have to take any supplements or not. The other nutrient is folic acid, or else we can say folate. This folic acid and folate concentration demand is very high in pregnancy period. At the same time, old age period also it is higher because the anemic condition chances are very higher. The blood need itself is very higher. As the vitamin B12 and folic acid are responsible, if it is deficient in the body, the chances of anemia is higher because they are responsible for the RBC formations in the body. So you have to make sure that the green leafy vegetables and the pulses and the whole grains are taken abundantly into their diet because the demand is higher, so the frequency of the foods into the diet should also be higher at the same time. The next nutrient which is very much high and which is always linked with the old age people is calcium as such, because the calcium is really responsible for bone formation. We all know about it, but maintaining a strong bones, the calcium concentration in the body should be in higher region. And the studies have also proven that as the age grows, the calcium intake in the diet itself comes down. Nobody concentrates on their calcium sources, so they should start off with their calcium supplements, or they should consult a physician when they have the risk of when they are hitting their menopause. For female especially, they should concentrate on their calcium intake. For example, the dairy products which is abundantly present in calcium, they should always make sure that the calcium intake into the body is completely taken care. At the same time, the calcium and vitamin D, it is always have an interlink between together, because the both has the process of resorption and absorption in the body. So as the aging process itself, when the calcium concentration is low in your body, the calcium present in the bones will be taken off, that will be bleached away. So the chances of, if you are falling or somewhere, the risk of fractures is quite higher. So you have to make sure the vitamin D and the calcium concentrations are equal in content. So vitamin D, for example, non-veg sources or eggs are very good concentrates. And as the age is also a factor, the skin cannot produce efficient vitamin D in the body. So you have to make sure that it is taken through fortified cereals or fortified breakfast cereals, which is coming up very much in the market, or you can go for supplements as well. The other nutrients are like potassium and magnesium, which is really required for the muscles, because the chances of hypertension, or the people will be already under some medical conditions in their aging process. So the sodium content of the body should be low. For that, the potassium has to be taken care, which is really present in the fruits and vegetables. Even the magnesium, which almost takes care of 300 physiological processes in your body. So the fruits and vegetables should be frequently taken into their diet, which is low in calorie. At the same time, it will be very light to their system, so the digestive process need not to struggle too much to absorb into the body. So these are the certain nutrients which they have to concentrate on. At the same time, primarily on fluids, because of the aging process, the moisture will be lost from the skin as absorption process itself is slow. So overall, all these nutrients along with good amount of fluids will definitely have a very good aging process. At the same time, their system will be really happy. Thank you.